Good morning, all. Today we are going to learn a lesson about Birbal, who is very famous in history as a minister for Akbar the Great, and he is considered as one of the nine jewels or Navaratnas in his court, and he is famous for his witty nature and brilliancy. So today we are going to learn a lesson about Birbal. Emperor Akbar was very fond of delicacies and had a great taste for pan, especially for those mouth-watering ones that Shaukat Ali, his official panwala, rolled out. So here we see Emperor Akbar being very fond of delicacies. Delicacies means the tasty food. So he loved the great pans made by his official panwala named as Shaukat Ali. So it is so happened one unfortunate day that as Shaukat was preparing pan, the coat of lime applied got thicker than usual. The emperor had hardly taken a small bite and his tongue seemed to be on fire. Flying into rage, he sent for Shaukat Ali. So one day what happened? It was an unfortunate day for Shaukat Ali, the panwala. While preparing a pan, a coat of lime applied got thicker than usual. Some more lime he applied on the pan. The emperor had hardly taken a small bite and his tongue seemed to be on fire. As soon as the emperor started eating the pan, he felt like chewing some fire because slime was too much. Flying into rage, he sent for Shaukat Ali. So he got very angry. Rage means very angry, and he asked Shaukat to come and meet him. The moment the emperor set his eyes on Shaukat Ali, he fumed. Your pan burnt my tongue. How do you claim to be the best pan maker in the city? You deserve the severest of punishments, you careless wretch. Now he's very angry. Badshah is very angry and telling something to Shaukat Ali, the panwala. Your pan burnt my tongue. Your pan burnt my tongue because of the extra lime. How do you claim to be the best pan maker in the city? How do you say that you are a best pan maker? You deserve the severest of punishments. That means I'll give you a very hard punishment. You careless wretch. Wretch means an unlucky person. Shaukat Ali was now trembling. Trembling means shaking the body like a leaf in the wind. He's so scared and he's just like a leaf in the wind. He's shaking. Go, fetch me a bag full of best lime, thundered the emperor. So what he asked Shaukat Ali? He asked Shaukat Ali to get a big full bag of best lime, lemons. Relieved that his life was spared, Shaukat went to a nearby shop that sold lime. Now he is a bit relaxed, Shaukat Ali, because no punishment has been given yet. The king asked him to get a full bag of limes. And he went to the nearby shop to buy the limes. He didn't have the slightest hint of what awaited him, but he didn't know for what reason the king asked him to get a full bag of limes. Have you started making pickles for the entire neighborhood? Asked the shopkeeper jovially. When Shaukat Ali went to the shop and asked for the lemons, the shopkeeper asked in a very funny way, have you started making pickles for the entire neighborhood or what? Whether you are preparing the pickle for whole neighborhood by buying all these lemons? Of course not. I am only following the emperor's command. Shaukat Ali was now worried and frightened. Now Shaukat Ali is a bit worried. Now he started thinking why the king wants so many lemons. And he's answering, no, I'm not preparing any pickles. Just it's the emperor's command I'm following. Don't even think of disobeying that order, said Mahesh Das, who was observing the entire episode. I know that you haven't asked for it, yet I would like to give you a piece of advice. And there was a person called Mahesh Das sitting next to the shop, and he said, Don't even think of disobeying the order. Don't try to escape from the order. Just I want to give a tip. Even though you're not asked, I want to give a tip. What tip it is? Alright, but be quick, Shaukat Ali said, his voice now a croak. Now he started understanding. Shaukat Ali started understanding that there is something. So he said, okay, tell me what is the tip. Have a big bowl full of pure ghee before you go to the royal court, said Mahesh Das. Mahesh Das said, yes, what the king said, it has to be obeyed. But before you take the lemons to the king's court, go to home and drink a full bowl of ghee. You haven't noticed my pot belly, have you? Said Shaukat. I can't even dream of taking a drop of ghee. Forget a bowlful. But Shaukat Ali is telling, if I drink such a big bowl of ghee, my belly will be more bigger. Already I have a pot belly, a big belly. Now I don't want to eat any more ghee at all. The shopkeeper suddenly spoke up and said that one should not ignore Mahesh's advice. But the shopkeeper who sold the lemons, he interfered and told that nobody should ignore Mahesh Das' advice. Looking all the more worried now, Shaukat paid for the lime and hurried out of the shop. So now Shaukat decided to obey Mahesh Das' words. So he paid the money for the lime and he went to home. Once home, he asked his wife for a bowl full of homemade ghee. Was he that hungry? She wondered, but looking at her husband's face, she decided not to question him and poured the ghee into the biggest bowl she had. It was indeed shocking to see how Shaukat gulped it all down at one go. So now he went home. He asked his wife to bring a big bowl of homemade ghee. His wife was so surprised. Was he that hungry? She thought. But she did not question her husband. She went inside, she brought a big bowl and she poured all the ghee what she had at home. And Shaukat gulped it all down one go. Gulped means swallowed a whole bowl of ghee now. Shaukat picked up the bag and trudged. Trudged means walked slowly with heavy steps. And on reaching the court, he placed it at the feet of the emperor, who summoned two of his guards to take Shaukat out. Now he went to the court. He left the bag of lemons at the feet of the king. An emperor now called his two guards and asked them to take Shaukat out. Make sure he eats all the lime, said the emperor. Now he is sentencing the punishment. What punishment is sentenced? Make sure he eats all the lime. He is telling that let him take care of all, let him eat all the limes what he brought. Pity me, dear emperor. I'll die if I eat all that lime. Shaukat Ali burst into tears. Now Shaukat Ali understood what punishment is given. What is the punishment given? He had to eat all the limes what he brought. And it was very difficult. He started crying. Pity me, dear emperor. If I eat all that lime, I will die. But emperor did not care. He said, you deserve it, said the emperor, turning his face away. He said, yes, if you are going to die, you die, no problem. You need that punishment because you burned down my tongue. The guards dragged Shaukat Ali to the courtyard, feeling sorry for the helpless man. So guards dragged him into the courtyard. But even they are feeling very sorry for him. But they had to obey even the king. So they said, start eating the limes. Shaukat Ali started eating. His stomach was churning in pain. He felt terribly sick and his teeth, they felt sore and sensitive. When the emperor appeared in the courtyard a little later, he could not believe his eyes. There was Shaukat Ali right before him, hale and hearty as usual. After some time, even emperor wanted to see what happened to Shaukat Ali after eating all the limes. So he went to the courtyard. There he saw Shaukat Ali standing. Nothing had happened to him. He was standing as usual. Did he not eat all the lime? The emperor asked the guard. Now emperor is asking the guard. Did he not eat all the limes? Yes, your majesty, he ate all of it. How come you are still all right? The emperor turned to Shaukat Ali. And he is so surprised. You ate all the limes, still you are healthy. How is it possible? Your majesty, the man bowed and said, I had a bowl of ghee before I came to the court. He was too weak to get up. What he said? He said that before he entered the court with the lime, he had a big bowl of ghee. And he was not able to get up. He was so tired like. You are not that wise to know what I had in mind. Who gave you the bright idea? May I ask? Said the emperor. The emperor is so surprised because he never knew that Shaukat Ali is that much intelligent. And now he is asking, who gave you this idea? I met a young man at the shop. His name is Mahesh Das, stammered Shaukat Ali. Now he is revealing the fact. Who gave the idea? This is Mahesh Das, the person at the shop. Mahesh Das, you mean Birbal? The emperor's voice grew softer now. Now, emperor understood who gave this brilliant idea. That is Mahesh Das. Mahesh Das means none other than Birbal, his minister. He told me to drink a bowl of ghee before I appeared at the royal court. Shaukat Ali confessed. Yes, the Mahesh Das only gave the idea of drinking ghee before I appeared in the court. Shaukat Ali confessed. Confessed means felt sorry and accepted his mistake. You owe your life to Birbal. Go and find him now, said the emperor. Now emperor asked Shaukat Ali to go and search for Birbal. Shaukat Ali Shaukat Ali returned with Mahesh Das. The young man bowed and waited for the emperor to speak. Now Mahesh Das, alias Birbal, came back with Shaukat Ali and waited for emperors to speak. Birbal, did you tell this wretch to drink that bowl of ghee? Now emperor is asking Birbal. Birbal, did you ask this bad person to drink a bowl of ghee? Yes, your majesty, I did. One does it when one has to eat something that could corrode the lining of the stomach. Yes, I said, because I knew that a big amount of lemon is going to spoil his digestive system, stomach. So I asked him to drink a bowl of ghee. The Emperor Akbar looked at Birbal, enraged. He is so angry now because he wanted to punish Shaukat Ali, but the Birbal saved him. Forgive me, your majesty. Had it not been for that bowl of ghee, the poor man would have been dead by now, Birbal replied. When Birbal saw Akbar being angry, he said sorry for his mistake. But he said, if he had eaten all the limes, he would have died by now. He deserved the punishment. Emperor roared. Roared means shouting angrily. Yes, he is supposed to die. He burnt my tongue. How dare he? He is supposed to die because he burnt my tongue with extra lime. Forgive me again, dear emperor. He makes the best pawn in the city, I am told. Where would you find a substitute? Asked Birbal. Now Birbal is trying to calm down the emperor. He is telling, forgive me again, dear emperor. He makes the best pawn in the city, I am told. I am told that Shaukat Ali is the one who makes the best pawn. If he dies, where do you find one more paanwala for yourself? Substitute means another one. Shaukat Ali bowed again, but he could not get his head below the level of his navel, thanks to his pot belly. Shaukat Ali bowed in respect to the king. I should have asked you to touch the ground with your forehead instead, teased the emperor. Emperor is still angry and is telling Shaukat Ali that I should have asked you to touch the ground with your forehead instead. That would have made the most appropriate punishment for you, Shaukat. What are you standing there for? go make pan for us. I am dying for one. Do you have anything to say to that, Birbal? Now Emperor's anger got down and is asking Shaukat Ali to prepare one more nice pan for himself. And he also asks, would you like to tell something to Birbal who saved your life? Shaukat Ali tells, no sir, nothing at all. That's the lesson. Thank you very much.